Hello guys, welcome to our video. Today for our breakfast we have a variety of dishes. The number one dish is pork adobo, and we have one more dish for the rice, that is pork fry with some lemon. It's not like a lemon, it's a dalandal. And another dish we have, that is pork sinigang also. Thank you for watching our video guys. God bless everyone. We'll see you on the next video. Bye.